Hey, have you ever had a note that you just want to be able to keep track of that may not relate directly to an email? It's just like a note to yourself. Well, inside your Google Suite, there's a great little app called Google Keep that I love. I can use it on my Android or my iPhone, and I can also use it on my normal computer. To access Google Keep, you need to go up to your Google app bar and then click on it and come down. It's Keep, so it's a K. Scroll down until you find Keep. It looks like a little notepad. When you click on it, it will open in its own browser tab. Now with Keep, you're just basically creating electronic sticky notes. You'll see that at the top, there's a place where you can type a note. So right here, notice I have to give my title at the top of my note. And then I can actually type in the items that I want in my note. Your notes can have hyperlinks. They can have a lot of different kinds of information in them. In addition, you can actually give your notes different colors. You can even apply backgrounds to them like this. And you'll also see that inside each note, once you create it, if you come down, you can go back and edit your notes at any time just by clicking on them. At the bottom, you can add images. You can also archive notes. And then there are more options, being able to delete a note, even assign a label. Now, if your note's really important, what I recommend is coming to the top right-hand corner of the note and pinning it. That way it's going to be favorited up here at the top with your important pins. As time goes by, you can unpin a note just by going to the top right-hand corner, clicking on the pin, and it unpins it and puts it back here under your other ones. Also, if you go to any note and double click on it or click on it once, it'll open up larger. You can actually share some of your notes with other people that are part of your Google contacts. And that's why you'll see their initials with their name, or for example, this just shows the first letter of their name in the bottom corner. And it's a great way just to keep track of things that you don't want to forget. And it goes with your Google account. So try it out, Google Keep, super easy. Finally, if you need to delete a note, all you want to do is go to the note, click on the bottom right-hand corner on the ellipses, come in and you can just click on delete, and it will allow you to get rid of it.